Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to Raska Papercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami Easter basket. It is a very beautiful model, one of the best model I ever create, and I hope you enjoy this model. In this tutorial I will show you only how to make the basket. For the eggs I will make tutorials in the next days. There are 5 different models, and today only the basket. It is a very beautiful model and it is not difficult to make. Alright, I'm very sorry, it is a very long time I upload a tutorial. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time to create new models. Creating these models, new models, take a lot of time. I hope in the future to make more videos. Let's start. For this model we will use large 3D origami pieces. These large 3D origami pieces are made from this rectangle of paper, 5.2 by 2.7 centimeters. And now I will make a 3D origami piece. First we fold in two, like this. Then again we fold in half. And now we have a fold line here. We bring this corner to that line in the middle, and we repeat in the other part, like this. And we have a triangle like this. And now we fold this small part in this way, and then we bring and we have a 3D origami piece. Now I will use 6 pieces connected in a row. I will put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. For this model I will use 2 colors. I will use dark brown and cream color. And we start with dark brown, and in the beginning I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces. I use a normal paper solid stick glue. You can find this in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. And now we connect pieces like this. The first 2 rows will be dark brown and the third will be cream. And we connect pieces like this until we have 20 pieces in the first row, 19 pieces in the second, and 18 pieces in the third row. Complete all these rows. Okay, I connect all these rows, and now we have 20 pieces in the first row, 19 pieces in the second, and 18 pieces in the third. And next we put here on the bottom an inverted dark brown row, like this. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Do not forget to glue. Finish the row. I finish this inverted row, and next, very simple, we will close the circle like this, and we complete the second row with one brown piece, and the third row with two cream pieces. And at the end we'll put the last inverted piece here. And now we have a 3D origami closed base, 20 pieces in each rows, 3 normal rows and 1 inverted here. Next we increase the number of pieces in a row. Now we have 20 pieces and we increase to 30. And for this we put one normal cream piece like this, and then we put 2 pieces in 2 edges. One here and another one there. And then we repeat. We put again one normal, 2 edges in 2 pockets. And we repeat this until we complete the row. We increase again 2 pieces in 2 edges. And one normal. Finish the row. Next we put another row, and now we have 30 pieces in this row. And next we put one dark brown and one cream, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put an entire dark brown row like this. Complete the entire row. Next we increase again the number of pieces in a row, and we have 30 pieces and we increase to 45. And first we put here a cream piece like this, and then we increase with dark brown pieces. We put one piece between these 2 edges, between these 2 pieces here, and then above we put 2 dark brown pieces like this, and then we repeat one normal cream and we increase again with dark brown pieces. And we repeat until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. I finish this row, and now we have 45 pieces in this last row. And next we put one dark brown here, and then 2 cream, and we repeat this until we finish the entire row. One dark brown and 2 cream. Finish the row after this pattern. I finish this row, and next we put two cream pieces above the dark brown one from the previous row, and then one cream, and we repeat this until we finish the row. I finish the row, and next we put two dark brown pieces here above where we have one in the previous row, and then we put one cream, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next row we put one dark brown here, and then two cream, like this, and we repeat this until we finish the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put two cream here above the dark brown piece from the previous row, and then one dark brown here, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. I finished this row, and the next row we put two dark brown pieces here above the dark brown from the previous row, and then one cream, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next row we put one dark brown there, and then two cream pieces like this, and we repeat this until we complete the row. Finish the row. Next we put an entire cream row like this. Complete the entire row. Next we will put a dark brown piece here on this line, Then we put 2 cream and repeat. 1 dark brown and 2 cream. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next, we put 2 dark brown pieces above the one from the previous row, and then 1 cream. And we repeat this until we finish